ऑफ यू. ओके, सर्वजण आता चॅनलवर ॲड झाले असतील आणि हा व्हिडिओ पाहत असतील तर तुमच्या जवळच्या मित्रांना हा व्हिडिओ सेंड करा आणि सर्व मित्रांना हा व्हिडिओ पाठवा आणि प्रत्येक मित्राला हा व्हिडिओ सबस्क्राईब करण्यासाठी सांगा. ठीक आहे, जेणेकरून तुम्हाला नवनवीन येणारे अपडेट्स मिळत राहतील. ठीक आहे, त्यानंतर व्हिडिओबद्दल तुम्हाला माहिती मिळत जाईल. तर आज आपण सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचं म्हणजे सेल इज द फंडामेंटल युनिट ऑफ लाईफ याबद्दल अभ्यास करणार आहोत. ठीक आहे, सेल इज द फंडामेंटल युनिट ऑफ अ लाईफ. की पॉईंट्स काय, त्यामध्ये डिस्कवरी अँड हिस्ट्री ऑफ सेल. ओके, या गोष्टी. त्यानंतर स्टडी ऑफ मायक्रोस्कोप, स्टडी ऑफ hypotonic, isotonic, hypotonic solution and relation to osmosis, cell wall, nucleus, cytoplasm, cell organelles. That all points we are discuss in this chapter. Okay, here the first we are study about the history of a cell and a definition of a cell. Okay, all living organisms are made up of fundamental unit of life, that is called cell. Okay, cell is the basic fundamental unit, you clearly understand that. Okay, cell is the basic fundamental unit of life. Okay, why cell is called basic fundamental unit? Okay, that was we are study in a last lecture. Okay, the cell is a Latin word, we know that. Latin word, cell is the Latin word, and cell means yes, a little room. Okay, cell is the Latin word, and that is the meaning of that cell is the, in Latin, a little room. Okay, the cell was firstly observed by in 1665. The name of that scientist is the Robert Hooke. Okay, Robert Hooke also observed a cell in a cork in the bark of the tree. Okay, resemble the structure of honeycomb. Okay, means he told the cell structure is a look like a honeycomb. Okay, the use of the word for that honeycomb, he used the word, that word is a cell. Okay, to describe the units. Okay, unit, it is used till this day in a biology as cell biology. Okay, here today we are study about the cell biology. Okay, here the compound microscope. Okay, in the last period we are study about the compound microscope. I will show you the picture of the microscope. Okay, here the compound microscope consists, the upper part is eyepiece. Okay, objective lens and condenser to observe a cell after putting a drop of a safranin. Okay, safranin, we are using safranin, it is the one type of a chemical. Okay, it is one type of a indicator. Okay, safranin is one type of a indicator whether we are applying on the plant cell. Okay, that plant cell we are clearly observe, we are clearly seen under the microscope, clearly observe under the microscope when we are observing the safranin. Okay, on the plant cell. And for the animal cell, the methylene blue, we are observing the, we are using the methylene blue for the observe the animal cell. Okay, here the who is the father of, okay, one MCQ question is here, who is the father of microbiology? Okay, the name of that scientist is Anton Leeuwenhoek. Okay, he is the father of microbiology. Why Anton Leeuwenhoek is called father of microbiology? Because of the Anton Leeuwenhoek firstly observed the cell, the live cell under the microscope, and that cell was observed by the, means saw free living cell in a pond water. Okay, firstly, and that's why it is called, that's why the Anton Leeuwenhoek is called the father of microbiology. The scientist Robert Brown discovered the nucleus, we know. Okay, the cell theory state that all the plants and animals are a composed of cell. It was proposed by Sheldon and Shawn. Okay, the cell theory was further explained by Vicro by suggesting that all cells arise from the pre-existing cells, means all cells are arise from the pre-existing cells. And ninth point is the cell different in size, shape and structure. Okay, whether we are observing the onion peel also having the different in size and shape, but the structure also are same. Okay, the type of a cell: onion cell, smooth muscle cells, blood cells, bone cell, fat cell. Okay, nervous cells, ovum, sperm, that all kinds of cells, their size also having different, their shape also different, their function also different, their structure also different, means the size of cell is depended on the function of that cell. Okay, here, and the last point is the, okay, 10th point is the single cell may okay, today we are stop here. All points means remaining points we are study in a next period. Okay, today we are stop here. Bye.